Marsha Letter here with a quick tip if you're considering booking an on-site workshop with us. One of the benefits of an on-site is that we can customize the length of the workshop to meet your needs. We know that time away from the job can really impact productivity, so we're here to work with you and manage time. So for example, we can take a 3-day workshop and condense it to 2 days, even 1 day if necessary. Well, how do we do that? Well, we review the objectives of the workshop and focus on the ones that matter to you most. We also discuss the possibilities of assigning pre- and/or post-course work. We're here to work with you and your constraints. If you'd like to learn more about this, contact one of our customer service representatives, and that is my tip of the day.